Okay, so I just got done recording my entire experiment, and YouTube decided that it didn't want to upload the video. So I'm starting over, cutting my strawberries, cut the tops off my strawberries, rewashed my glass, put the alcohol back in the freezer. So I cut the tops off of about 5 strawberries. Put them in a Ziploc baggie. Now we're going to add some water. Okay, now we're going to seal it. And we're going to start squishing the strawberries. We're doing this to break down the cell's walls and membranes to get to the nucleus where all the DNA is. You want to make sure that you're squishing it really well, getting all the chunks out, which can take a couple minutes. Okay, I think we got most of the chunks out. So now what we're going to do is I have a clear glass here, and we're going to, let me see if I can do this to where you can see. So here's my glass, and we're just going to pour off the liquid from the bag, trying to withhold as many chunks as possible. And of course I made a mess. Okay. Trying to get the rest of that liquid out of there. So there's just the strawberries. There's still a couple chunks in there, but... So next we are going to take some dish soap. I did have my son help me on the last experiment that didn't want to upload, and he decided that this, after mixing the soap into the strawberries, would be a good idea to try to drink the strawberry juice. So he's done with science for the day. He's had enough of it and didn't like the taste of the soap. So we just added some dish soap in there, enough to get it nice and foamy. And what that soap does is it breaks down the nucleus so we can get inside and get the DNA. Okay, so now we're going to get our cold rubbing alcohol. And when we mix this, we want to make sure that you're not pouring it in there too fast, or else the liquids will combine and you won't be able to see the DNA. So the easiest way to start is by tipping your glass and just gently pouring in the rubbing alcohol. So I'm going to let that settle for a second. So you can sort of see a little bit of separation already. I'm going to add just a little bit more. Okay. So here we have the separated liquids of the alcohol and the strawberry juice. You can see some white particles or string hair-like things coming up, and that is the DNA from the strawberry. Last time they rose all the way to the top of the alcohol. This time it's taking a little bit longer. I'm not sure why. But if you can look really closely, you can see that in there. And all those white strands are the DNA from inside the nucleus. So there we go. Thanks for watching.